Hello everybody, Logitech here, and this is my review of the Logitech G510 gaming keyboard with LCD screen and macro buttons on the left. That was a quick start. Let's go into the review. Now, you can change from thousands of colours on the LCD screen and the keys, but I'm mainly showing you the LCD key here. And you can change them without having to reset the keyboard or reset the software, so you can just look awesome without having to do anything. You can also turn it down, turn it up, but obviously when you turn it down it gets less visible, and that's one of the main problems that I have with this keyboard, is that when you even when it's on full, it doesn't seem that bright. They could have like put a bit more into the LEDs there, because it sort of seems not as bright as it should be. And you can also tell that the keyboard looks pleasing, and it won't look ugly on your table, obviously, if you look after it quite well. Now, these are the three things. You can have 3 quick sets, so you can have M1 for say one game, M2 for another game, and M3 for another one. And when you press MR and the G button, you can select what you want that to do. For example, if I wanted to reload, I could set that to an R, and I could change everything around according to my preferences. There is some media buttons up on the top right hand side corner, but let's not go into them because they're not that important. And you can also change between tons of apps on your screen and change the settings of each apps with the ones underneath, and they're just amazing. You also have microphone mute and headphone mute, and including a button that you can switch on/off to turn the Windows key off. Now, it does come with a wrist rest, but I didn't use this. And here is the software now, and you can select between you've got quite a few little ones anyway, but you can select through that whole range of colours, basically all the colours you need. You can also choose between what apps you want it to be able to display on the screen and what you want your display option application button do. This is the home page, but that's not that important, and that's all of that software. And now I would just like to take this video to an end and say thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, rate, do all of that sort of stuff. See you later.